How to fix Microsoft Excel not responding. For this, there are a couple of steps that you can do. First and foremost, tap on the start icon and go to your settings option. Now from here in the left side, go and select apps, then tap on installed apps. In the search bar, you have to search for Microsoft Office. Now it will be a different version for your PC. Then tap on this three dot icon at the side and tap on modify. Here, tap on quick repair first and foremost, and mind it will take a time for at least of 8 to 10 minutes, and then tap on repair. If this does not fix, go ahead and tap on online repair, and this does need an internet. Then it will take a much longer than the quick repair, and if you tap on repair, the problem will be solved. Now, this should solve your problem. If not, the second step is to tap on the start icon, and in the search bar, you have to search for CMD prompt. Now right here, you have to enter a code. Now, write SFC/scan now. This will scan all of the repairs or damages that is present in your PC, and if there's any, it will also recommend to repair it. Once it is done, make sure to restart your PC and your Microsoft Excel must be up and running. That's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.